What's going on, guys? A&M Fishing here, back at it again with another video. Today it's just me. I'm gonna be flood fishing the creek. We got a huge rain yesterday, and yeah, fish should be active. I'm hoping to get redemption because yesterday we did not catch anything. Yeah, I will see you when we get to the spot. Yep. Alright, guys, we're walking over the bridge right now. I'm sorry if the lens fogs up because it keeps doing that and it's ruining the video. Yeah. Here's a creek. It's definitely flooded because it rained a lot yesterday, or yesterday night. Dude, I need to get redemption. Yesterday sucked. We didn't catch anything. Minnow trap didn't work. I have to make the holes bigger than that. That sucked. So that's the spot we're going to be fishing back there. It's the whole flooded area, and I'm just going to let my bobber with the piece of worm float down it. And yeah, let's see how we do here. Alright, guys, we're getting baited up here. Let's get it threaded up, cut off that axis, and yeah, let's get straight to fishing. Here we go. Alright, y'all. Here we are at the spot. Let's give a couple casts just into the flooded area. See if we got some minnows dwelling in here. I would think that there gotta be something here. Oh wait! Oh, it's a leaf. Okay. See you guys. Come on, fish. Dragging us. It's dragging along the bottom. Oh, dude. Barbecue's moving. Where are all the fish, guys? Why is there nothing here? I haven't gotten one. Right near the shore. It's right near the shore. Nope, ain't nothing, bro. Oh my. Guys, I always think these leaves are fish. Something's eating the worm. It's like getting bit up on. Look at that. Something's eating that. I don't know what. Where are these fish, guys? I have no clue. Alright. I have no clue where these fish are, guys. Let's try under there. I'm determined. I'm so determined right now. We didn't catch crap yesterday. These leaves! Where are the fish? There's always minnows here. What am I... God, what are you doing, Ian? Wait. That's a... It was stopped there. Wait. I think... Guys, I think that was a fish. Oh my... My minnow just got... Jeez. My worm just got absolutely... Oh. I think we found fish. Oh! Yep. Guys, they stole my bait. Yes! Let's go! We found fish, guys. Alright, I'm gonna go get rebaited. Hold up. Alright, guys, we just got rebaited. Dude, we're gonna actually get one. I'm actually, like, so happy. This might be first fish in a long time. Hold on. They're under that log. Please. Yes! No! Oh! Bro! They took me into a stick! Bro! They took me into a stick! Dude! They're here, because they ate my bait. Hold on, guys. God, I'm so bad at fishing. Come on, fish. Wait. Dude, these leaves! There was just minnows here. What? Guys. What is going on here? This creek is so weird. I hate this creek. Come on, minnows. This creek during the winter is so bad. Dude, I've been fishing here for like 5 more minutes. And they all ran away. I was getting bites there, and then these minnows suck, dude. They suck. I haven't caught a fish in 2 months, guys. It's been 2 months since I've even got a bite. That was my first bite in 2 months from a fish, from a minnow, because everything's frozen. I can't do anything besides fish flooded moving creeks like these. Come on, I know there's minnows here, guys. They bit. Explain how my worm came off in pieces. Oh my god, I hate this creek. This creek is so difficult. Look at that. What is that? Why does it do that? What? Alright, y'all, I'm probably gonna hop that fence and fish over the fence, because I lost hope for this area. We'll see when we get over there. Yeah, guys, I'm definitely gonna hop that fence. That's probably where all the fish are. Alright. God, dude, this thing is so flooded. How am I gonna get over here? Set our rod. Oh god, this sucks. This sucks. Thank god the fence is broken, or else I would not be able to get over here. Oh, ow. Dude, my ankle just like did a 360 degree. Ah. Okay. Made it over. Guys, I have a little bit more high hopes for this spot. Please. I fish this spot all the time. The spot always produces for me. Please. Oh my god. Guys, I really hope that there's fish here. No, please. No, no, no. Not again. Not again, not again. This happened. No. I'm not losing another one of my small. No, we're not doing this again. I'm not doing this again. No. Dude, it's a thorn. Dude, I'm not losing. God, dude, I hate. Guys, I'm gonna have to pull. Fishing can be a real pain in the butt sometimes. I hate losing stuff. I'm not trying to lose. Dude, okay, okay. Bro. These weeds are everywhere, bro. God, where are the fish? I just want to catch a fish, bro. So bad. I just want to catch a fish so bad. Come on. Why ain't there no... Sometimes fishing really makes me really mad. Guys. Why aren't there no minnows here? They were here. Fishing sucks. Sometimes it does. Other times, it's the best time of your life. Oh! Wait. Hold up. Was that a fish or a leaf? It's probably a leaf because it's all that lives in you. That's a... Oh my... Guys, I hate fishing. I really... God dang it, guys. Guys, this sucks. This actually... Ow! Fudge! Ow! Thorns! I'll put the camera back on and get rebaited again. I got a big juicy worm on here. If this doesn't get me a fish, then... This creek is weird. Please give me a fish. That's the biggest worm. That's my this is my last worm. I'm using my last piece of worm. Probably for jack crap because this creek sucks. What was that? Cut off a little bit of that. Oh my god. I hate when you don't catch anything, dude. It sucks. It's so bad. Come on. Please. I've fished this place so many times. I know where all the deep holes are right here. I know where it drops off. So they should. Bro. How is there no fish here? They're always here. I catch more when the river's flooded, bro. Please. Okay, guys, give me a second. Here we are. This is my last hope. If I don't catch anything here, the video ends. This is my completely... I'm done. If please have... Oh my gosh, dude. Every time I've gone fishing here in the past week, this has happened. I see the minnows. No, here's what I do. The day before I come out, I come look. All the minnows here. And I take worms with me to throw them in and fish and feed them, but I always forget my rod, so I can't catch them. Next day I come out, they're not here. This creek, it has so much mysteries behind it, dude. Come on, fish. Fishing sucks. Like, I'm going to say that and then I'm going to get an absolute stud. Well, probably not, because this sucks. This actually sucks. This actually is so bad, dude. I'm just in disbelief. I'm in major disbelief right now on how there's... Guys, I'm going to go back to the deep hole and fish till we leave this worm. Back at the deep hole. I have low standards at per usual. I'm so bored, bro. I just want to get out and catch some fish. But I can't do that. Because there's nothing to catch. Oh! I almost just... Please. Please, I'm setting the hook. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is my last piece of worm. Let's get it. Shocker. Ain't jack crap. Ain't jack crap. Ain't jack crap. Yeah, yeah. Ain't jack crap. Ain't jack crap. Ain't jack crap. There's nothing here. There's nothing here. Fishing sucks in the winter. I wish I lived where fishing with H lived. He has places to fish everywhere. I only have one lake around me, and that... No! No! Guys, this might be the worst. Oh my gosh, dude! No, this is my last good hook! Guys. I'm in this... Come on, this is my last good... Dang it, bro, come on! I hate fishing. I actually... Bro, how does this always happen, bro? Talk about a skunk. Holy crap. I went out yesterday. Didn't catch one minnow. Went out the... And then here we are today with this mess. Alright, guys, here's my saying. Pull and pray. Please come undone. Please come undone. Please come undone. Did it come undone? No! Oh my god. That's my last hook. Alright guys, this is going to be a part 1. I'll be back with a part 2. And hopefully... Hold on guys. This is going to be a part 1. Hopefully, in part 2, I catch fish. I'm so bored.